Creating content might seem like a simple job, but sometimes the process can be complex to navigate. Writing things down, creating visuals, or animating things, all of these are tedious tasks to pin down, especially if you're running a one-person gig. And while all content creators have to keep their audience's attention spans in mind, kids content creators have to ensure their content is engaging enough for younger minds. The content needs to be catchy enough to keep younger children hooked. In the past, creators used to power through everything and manage intricate tasks on their own. But now, AI can help you in your content creating process. If you're a kid's content creator, here are the 5 tools you need to use. 1. Lovo AI. When it comes to AI-driven voiceovers, this is one of the best tools on the internet. It works with a text-to-speech model, so when you put your script into the program, it will be instantly turned into a voiceover. While there are several other platforms for this purpose, Lovo AI is the easiest to use. The end product is a voiceover that mimics the natural tone and rhythm of a human voice. What sets this tool apart is that it caters to several different industries. Whether you're working in entertainment, finance, education, or gaming, Lovo AI will consider the tone you're trying to achieve with your videos before creating a voiceover tailored to your needs. When it comes to creating content for kids, voiceovers are a crucial part of the process. Your budget might not have the bandwidth to have a voiceover artist work with you, and without suitable narration, a video may not appeal to kids. And Lovo AI is constantly improving its voice synthesis models. Its popularity soared after it introduced Jenny, which is a next-gen AI voice generator. Not only does it combine text-to-speech production with video editing expertise, but it also creates voices that are extremely human-like. Your content will look as authentic as possible. With over 500 AI voices covering a spectrum of 20+ emotions and 150+ languages, you can make your videos engaging and authentic with unique voiceovers, no matter the tone you want. 2. Adobe Character Animator. Animations are a major part of all content that is created to entertain kids. These can be used to create educational videos, songs, and cartoons that are both creative and engaging for learners. But if you don't know your way around animations, Adobe Character Animator will do the job for you. It uses motion capture technology and brings characters to life in accessible ways. The first step is to select from the templates available. Once you're done, you can utilize motion capture technology and a webcam to bring your creations to life. In the starter mode, you will mostly focus on facial expressions and controlling body movements so that you can understand the basics. After that, you can move on to full mode, which consists of several editing tools. With these, you can customize your characters in a lot of detail. Whether you want your animation to be simple or complex, Adobe Character Animator can handle it. But how is this tool so efficient? It essentially uses your webcam to capture your body's movements, which animates the object in your project. Your animation imitates your movements without requiring you to have a deep understanding of the underlying technology. You can also add transcripts to your animations, which will add a realistic touch to your character's speech. But that's not all. You can use the power of your facial expressions to add more depth to your character. Whether it's happy, sad, or excited, emotions will be efficiently conveyed in your videos. Adobe Character Animator works perfectly with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications like Illustrator and Photoshop, which leads to a great and unified creative experience across platforms. 3. Canva AI. This is a platform that does almost everything for you. It's got a user-friendly interface, and it lets you design all kinds of visual materials, including PowerPoint presentations, social media posts, logo designs, and engaging video content. The integration of AI into Canva is pretty recent, and it has managed to increase the platform's capabilities tenfold. Content creation is now a lot smarter and more efficient. Canva AI will let users generate images and written content, and one of the greatest features of Canva AI is its text-to-image functionality. This tool lets users generate original images that are royalty-free. So, no matter what you create through Canva, you will not encounter any copyright issues or the need to credit original artists. While making content for kids, unique visuals can take your videos to a higher level. Another great tool is Canva's Magic Writer tool. This writing assistant helps users create drafts, inject creativity into their content, and create attractive social media content. It even provides support for blog and essay writing. So the Magic Writer tool will help you write concise and high-quality text. Then comes Canva AI's PowerPoint generator, which stands at a much better place than Microsoft and Google PowerPoint. This is because it gives you several modern and trendy templates that cater to a variety of needs. You could probably find fitting templates if you're creating content for kids. Users can easily add AI-generated images to their presentations, creating an interesting visual experience for the viewers. If you don't wish to switch from one tool to the next, Canva is the best tool for you. It will write your content for you, create unique images, and make slideshows. Almost everything will be ready for you to create highly interactive content for kids. 4. Pictory AI. This is another tool for transforming text into captivating videos, and the ease of access makes it a go-to platform for content creators. If you want to effortlessly produce high-quality videos, this tool has all the features to help you achieve that. Pictory AI offers several entry points for users. The AI engine takes your inputs and generates video backgrounds, AI voiceovers, subtitles, and captions. The end product can be put onto platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and the web. This means that the content is innovative and captivating, making it ideal for kids. There are several ways you can create videos with this tool. Firstly, it allows users to transform a video script into an actual video. You can either craft your script in the editor or paste an existing one. You'll have some great tools at your disposal for text highlighting, spell checking, and scene adjustments. This way, you can have full control over your scripts. Just like the script to video feature, the article to video feature changes blog posts into engaging video content. Users put in a URL, and Pictory AI takes out key messages from the article, creating a successful script. Each key point is converted into a scene that can be successfully edited, ensuring your message is conveyed very precisely. Then there's the Edit Video with Text feature, which allows users to improve their videos using text. You can add subtitles, trim unwanted sections, create highlights, and add essential elements such as logos, intros, and outros. Whether you're linking to a YouTube video or uploading one from your computer, Pictory AI makes the process easier. It provides transcriptions, generates subtitles, and automatically gets rid of filler words, leading to a more polished video. Lastly, the Visuals to Video tool lets users create slideshow videos using images, short clips, and text. You can add an AI voiceover, use your own voice, or add more visual elements to bring your video to life. 5. Unscreen AI. This tool is nothing like the other editing tools we've mentioned. It works by simplifying the daunting task of removing backgrounds from videos. To fully grasp the potential of Unscreen AI, it's important to understand how it works. The process is very straightforward. You start by uploading your video or GIF file to the website or app, which is very user-friendly. You don't need to be well-versed in technology to navigate it either. The next step is to choose your background from the vast range of options that Unscreen AI offers. You can pick from presets, but it doesn't limit you to that. If you have a specific image or video in mind, you can upload your own. The focus is on making your video uniquely yours. Once you've made your selections, you can preview the results to see if you like the end product. If you're satisfied with the results, you can download the edited video or GIF, with or without the audio. Behind the scenes, Unscreen AI uses a deep neural network to get things done. It breaks down each frame of your video, efficiently separating the foreground from the background. Through a proprietary algorithm, Unscreen AI fuses the foreground with the new background, which ensures a polished final product that is ready to be used without further editing. This tool also optimizes the output quality and file size, making it suitable for several different kinds of devices and platforms. This may be one of the best tools for you to use as a kid's content creator. You can remove backgrounds from videos to bring more focus to the foreground, but you can also use your own footage to make videos more interesting. This works especially well in educational videos so that you can reduce the amount of distraction in your video and keep things engaging. Let us know in the comments which of these AI tools you like the most. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.